In this video, I'm going to show you how to access to Google Follow. For this, go to any browser and search for Google Follow and go to this link here, Google Labs Flow. We are on the Flow site. Now click on Create with Flow, and as you can see, we cannot access to this website. Follow is not available in your country. It's showing this. So the solution is, what you have to do is go to Google Store, go to Chrome Web Store, then search for this VPN. And install it. I have already added to my Chrome. After that, go to extensions, click on this three dot button here, select manage extension. Now from here, turn it on, allow in incognito. Then open a new incognito page in your browser, activate the VPN, start your connection and select USA. Make sure your connection is right and from USA. Now search for Google Play again and try to access the website. Click on Create with Flow, and as you can see, we are not facing the problem again here. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.